Good morning. Myself Pooja from Panache Times, and I'm standing with one of the beautiful lady here, for which we have fabricated the stall. And I'm standing with Miss Monica from Omicron. Ma'am, please give us a feedback on the services of the boot designing and the fabrication done by Panache.
I'm overall happy with the services and the quality which was provided by Panache. We started the discussion I think 3 months back, and there were a lot of communication, and every time you supported us and the team supported us, and finally after good coordination we come out with this booth, and we are happy with the output, and we look forward to work with you again. Thank you.
So, ma'am, in terms of the coordination that started with your coordination with our honorable director, Mr. Razi, then came on to me with a long discussion on the designs, everything. How far you are satisfied with Panache?
Finally, we are happy, and you understood our requirement, which was different from others because the colors and the corporate colors and the theme are different from other companies, because you can see a lot of white and black and red, but yes, we have different concept, and there were coordination from my other colleague from Austria, and finally you understood. So we are overall happy with it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We wish for a long build-up with you in the future also.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.